Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Marston, that's ZimTech guys. So today we're going to be unboxing the W99 Max Watch 8, also known as the Apple Watch Series 8 replica. Let's see how good this thing is. So without wasting time, let's get into it. Okay, so the watch just comes in this white box. You can see the back, there's more info about the watch, and so let's see. You can just take this out. Right, this is what's in the box. We have the straps here. Let's see if we can just plasticky or rubbery. Let's just put these to the side. There's the other watch band in here. Let's put that to the side as well. Right, the watch also comes with the charger. Let me see if we can just peel off this. All right, there's the watch face itself. There's a bit of weight to it. All right, let's see if we can just remove this plastic. All right, there's the watch face. All right, nice. All right, so this is the W99 Max. Let's see if we can power it on. Okay. Okay, so the phone. Wow, that was quick. The setup was actually very fast. I just want to go through the menus. Let's see. Okay, this is the watch faces. All right, I'm going through the menus right now. This is the QR code. Okay, let me see if we can just, this is the QR code. Let me see if we can just set this W99 Max on my phone. All right, so I have my phone here. So again, let me see if I can just come to the QR code right there. So I want to set it up on my iPhone. I just need to come here. All right, open this in Chrome. Okay, so this one uses the FitPro app, I can see. All right, I want to use in the Apple Store. All right. Okay, let me just get the FitPro app. So as the app is downloading, let's see more features about this. All right, so there's this watch face here. Style 2, let's see. There's style 3. Which one is style 3? How do I get to this style? Style 4, style 5. I think these are different types of, oh yeah, different types of styles for the menu. Okay, let me just go back. Let me try style 1. Let me just click here. All right, this is style 1. Let me try style 2. Click. No, sorry. All right, so this is style 2. All right, so there's different types of styles that are here, which you can use. Obviously, it's a heart rate monitor. Let's see, heart rate monitor. What sort of? Let me see, heart rate. All right, so these are the sensors that will be reading your heart rate. What else is here? Sorry, see. There's sports mode. There's ECG. All right, this one it will be reading your beats per minute. Looks like it uses the same sensors as well. Okay. Sports mode, reset, music. Let's see. There's more. You can set the date. Okay. Date. All right. There's WhatsApp. I'm sure there's a notification. There's a stopwatch. Music. Yeah, different. Obviously, it's not the Series 8 watch itself, but you can actually fool people into believing that this is a Series 8 Apple Watch. So I'll be doing a full review of this. If you're interested, then stay subscribed. All right, the app is finished. All right, so let's see if we can just open the app, FitPro. Yeah, all right, allow, okay, all right, allow FitPro to write. Okay, let me just give it permissions, all these permissions for now. All right, now I have to log in. Let me see if, okay, let me just skip this login part. I want to connect the phone, the device. So let me come here. It says me. Okay, let me come here where it says setting. There's no device. Bind device. Yes, I want to bind this device here. All right, this watch 8. You click on this watch 8 here. It's connecting. Okay, I want to pay. Allow. All right, you can see from the time which is just corrected. Let me see if I can look for a different watch. That it's already been set up. It's connected to the watch 8. If you can look on my device here. Not sure what the experience will be like on Android, but pretty much. Let's see the sort of watch faces you can see. All right, so that's been the unboxing and first setup of the W99 Max or Apple Watch Series 8 replica. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will be posting a review of this Apple Watch in the near future, so stay subscribed for that one. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, see you in the next video.